Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can save a Microsoft Word file into desktop or to the desktop. So without further ado, let's go quick into it. So open your Microsoft Word document or file. So I have this one right here and I want to save this in the desktop. So all we have to do, it's very easy. Click on the File tab on the top left corner. Click on that. And here you will find this option Save As. Click on that. And then you have to click on the Browse option. And here in the list of destination paths on the left pane, simply choose Desktop. You can also change your file name. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. And then once you're done choosing desktop, click on Save. And now let's close this. And then there you go. Your document, your Microsoft Word document has been saved in the desktop. So you can easily access on it by double clicking on it to open the file. And that's it. That's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.